Hello guys, I would like to welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing you a brand new way to make money just using your smartphone. This process is also applicable for PC, but I'm showing you at my mobile at my with my mobile phone because everyone has a mobile phone and it's easy. I personally think it's easy to operate from mobile than from the PC. So first of all, let me show you the proof of withdraw. You can see here, up here, uh, $1,200, $900, $200, and like this list goes on. You can see $1,600 and $18, $49, $6. Altogether, I have around on $8K without doing any work. I will show you how you can also earn this with the simple process I'm going to show you. For that, you have to first go to the link in the description and download Brave software. You can see from Brave software I have got that. So if you are looking this video from PC, you can laptop or something, you can do the same following steps. First of all, download Brave browser in your PC, laptop, or in your mobile phone. Click in the link below in description and download Brave browser. After that, you have to go to Brave. It is 33% faster than any other browser such as Chrome. And the best thing about it is that play if you use YouTube or other online platform to view content, it will automatically block the ads. So it will help to maintain your privacy, and it will also save your time. And after you use this app for about a month, you will start seeing ad notification if you turn on this Brave ads. For that, you have to click on three dots, and after that Brave rewards, and turn on this. And after that, you will start seeing ads, and you can make money from this. And the money that you have on can be withdrawn in Uphold. And many updates are coming in Brave browser, from which you could also buy you could also get Amazon gift cards or PayPal cash. So use this Brave browser and start earning. And if you use it regularly, and also for also create an Brave publisher account, you will earn lot of money just like me. If you want to see more videos related to Brave browser, please comment, and please subscribe my channel and hit that notification icon so you will never miss an update. So download the Brave. Let me summarize this video for you. First of all, go to the link in the description, download Brave. After that, use it for a month and you will start seeing ads. And after that, using Brave for 1 month, you can sign up in Brave publisher account, and also share Brave browser with your friends and earn lot of money. So that's it for that today's video.